This is the World Championships. So you two are out to zap each other. Whammy, that's the word I was looking for. You know, whammy.
Oh, whammy. Whammy. I'd walk 1,000,000 miles for one of your smiles.
Whammy! Whammy! How I love you, my dear old Whammy.
You're so endearing when you do that. Yeah.
This is not going to work on me, Herr Doctor. Your whammy had no effect on me. Sure, I lapsed into that stupid song, but when I was in Germany, they taught me a lot of different things. One of them was that twitch that I can't seem to get rid of. It comes and goes. As you can see now, I'm perfectly fine.
Well, you may be fine now. Keep those mind waves coming, baby. I love it. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, this is great.
Stop it! I need another cigarette.
Now I have all that positive energy. I am woman. Well,
I want to hear you roar.
roar.
I am the champion. Seek me.
You are a dilettante.
I am a dilettante. I'd just like to thank my mother and my father for letting me grow up here in Nebraska. Oh, that's a debutante. I will now put you into a course and take my cigarette to your nose.
You'll have to curse my back.
Well, this could be very interesting. Very interesting indeed. All right, I put a curse on your tushy. Now, this is the way we do the curse. Okay, the curse is on.
All right. Now, I feel that I have got a sample of your powers, and my tushy does not feel cursed.
Watch this. Bark! Bark! Believe me, later when you are sitting quietly alone someplace, that thing will bark. I guarantee it. Here,
I'm
Doctor.
sitting quietly alone, and my tushy barks.
Yes?
I will be the first to thank you because I have never wanted a silent tushy.
That is very funny because I've always wanted a silent cushion.